If you didn't know, I'm going to tell you, Polaris just came out with their brand new RVM966 Plus. Now you're probably thinking, what even is an RVM966 Plus? Look, it's a rear-view digital camera, but the new feature that they've come up with has now taken your rear-view vision to a whole new level. And when the comments section loves to talk about your trailer reversing skills, I'm going to really like this. Now you have all the same features as the original digital rear-view display, like record, front camera and back camera. But with the Plus edition, you now have a third split screen option, which you can install in any way you want. If you want to install a camera into the back of your car to keep an eye on your kids, or you want to put into the back of your truck to see your horses, help you reverse a trailer, or even just initiate when you gear into reverse. You can now do that with this third split screen option. You can toggle it on when you want, or make your way back to your normal rolling rear display screen. And the best news is this product has just dropped, so make sure you go over to the polarisgps.com.au website right now before it sells out.